way to practice is to shoot at small little targets like those. I know it's not far away, but it's kind of pointless for me to put it far away and then try to film because there's all this weeds and grass, so you might not be able to see it. But this, you can at least tell how good you're getting, or if your sights might be off, which most are never off. It's just the shooter. The more practice, the better. That's how you can tell how good you're shooting. Couldn't even hit that one. Try 2 more rounds, see if I can hit it. Dead on. 2 more rounds. Get that one over there. I just pushed it, not actually hit it. Two more rounds. I hit that one. I missed that one again. But in either case, even if it was far away or a larger target, I'll definitely hit it. I was taught to shoot like little caps when I was little with a 22 or any other rifle. That's how I was taught to shoot. I want to throw some of these. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but if I can hit that one, not a bad shot. I didn't hit it, I just covered it. And that one I actually hit it. I missed that one again. Got another round. Missed it again. I'm just covering it. Surprised I hit the little one. It was kind of hard to see. Try to see if I finally got it. It flew all the way over there. See another casing, small casing. If the camera can see it. Missed it. Shot already plenty of rounds, my clip getting dirty. By the way, I'm shooting Monarch 9mm Luger 115 FMJs. This is pretty good ammo. They're usually on sale, so I usually try to buy a lot. The 200 round pack, sometimes the 250. And I just stock up on it. Good for range days like this. Oh, I see it. I almost lost it. I see the round. Still there, still there, still there, still there. Nope, couldn't hit it. I'm all out of ammo. The only ammo I got is the one I carry for my self-defense. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Peace.
I got a bag full of hate to show you, trying to run from the fate that calls you, lighting a candle for Saint.